Alright, let's get real about the LG UltraGear 24G411A-B. If you've been hunting for an affordable gaming monitor that promises a super smooth ride, this one's probably popped up on your radar. But is it actually worth the hype, or just another flashy spec sheet? Let's dive in. First off, the basics. You're getting a 24-inch IPS panel with great color. Think 99% sRGB. So games look vibrant and crisp from almost any angle. But let's talk speed, because that's what gamers really care about. LG advertises a 144Hz refresh rate, but here's the catch. That's only if you go into the settings and enable overclocking. Out of the box, it runs at 120Hz. Not a deal breaker, just something you need to know. Now, about that 1 ms response time. Sounds amazing, right? But that's with motion blur reduction on. For everyday use, expect more like 5 ms. Still solid, but maybe not pro esports level. Brightness is another area where it keeps things modest. At 250 nits, it's fine in a typical room, but don't expect it to punch through direct sunlight. HDR10 is technically supported, but let's be honest, you won't get that eye-popping HDR magic you see on pricier screens. Where it does shine is compatibility. It's fully ready for both AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync. Bye-bye screen tearing. Plus, it's console-friendly, handling 120Hz on PS5 and Xbox Series XS at 1080p. The stand? Pretty basic, just tilt, no height or swivel. But it's VESA mountable, so you can upgrade your setup later. Those slim bezels are perfect if you're planning a dual-monitor command center. So, does it work as advertised? Yes, with a few asterisks. If you're stepping up from a basic 60Hz monitor, you'll absolutely feel the difference. For the price, it's a killer entry-level pick. Just know its limits before you click Add to Cart. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions below, and happy